Greetings magical beings and welcome to jordrotens magiska värld and to my first pancake. Today it's Easter Eve and I'm going to bring you along for the day. I'm going down to my storage unit, my storage in the basement. We have storage in the basement and in the attic, and I'm going to organize because we recently moved here at the end of last year, 29th of December to be exact, and well, I pretty much just stuffed a bunch of stuff in my storage and I've already started to bring some stuff out, as you can see, and I'm going to organize it a little bit better. Most of it is empty boxes, and I'm going to bring them up to our storage in the attic. I'm also doing some laundry. This very long pillow I'm going to wash. We do have a washing machine in our apartment, but I need the drying room. I don't know if that's a Swedish thing. Maybe you can let me know. It's a room with the fan and heat that you hang your clothes in to dry, a drying room. And when I'm washing pillows or duvets, I need the drying room, otherwise it would take too long for the stuff to dry and it can, well, mold. So sometimes I use the laundry room in the basement. I think maybe that's a Swedish thing as well, to have a laundry room in the apartment buildings. It's not the nicest laundry room, but it works. And this is the drying room. This is my latest flea market find. I collect these duvets, and I also sell duvets in my shop. I really like these green flowers. Green is my favorite color. Today I'm also trying this cleaning stuff thingy with vinegar and citrus fruit, and it's supposed to be very, how do you say, fragrant. It's supposed to smell really super fresh and nice, and who doesn't like that? But I've never tried this before, so it is new for me. So it's not a tip for you, because I don't know how this will turn out, but you're supposed to stuff citrus fruit in a container with vinegar and leave it for 4 months. So I'll get back to you in 4 months. We'll see how it goes. Now I've organized the storage in the basement, and you probably don't see any difference, but it's more organized for me, and that feels great. I also sorted out the empty boxes and put them in the corner so I can bring them up when I have the time. And I also found my mixer that has been missing since we moved, so that's good, and some Easter eggs. And this, what do you call this, board where you can put papers and stuff. I'm gonna paint it and put some green flowered fabric on it, so it will match my wall in my room. And now I'm going up to the storage in the attic with some fabrics I've sorted out from my cabinet in my room. I store most of my fabrics in the attic, and on my way I found these lovebirds, two pigeons, and they were actually kissing, but I didn't catch that, unfortunately. They were so cute. When I got up to the attic, the storage on my phone was full, so I couldn't film what I did in the storage. But this is some stuff that the previous renter left, so I need to get this out. I tried to put together a storage shelf, but there were some bits and bobs missing, so I couldn't quite finish that. I need quite a few of these shelves for all my fabrics. I have a lot of fabrics, and I love them. But I moved some stuff around and made some space for where I'm gonna do like a white wall where I can take my pictures for the things that I put in my shop. Where I have a shop where I sell retro things and old clothes and stuff that I remake and redesign. So I'm gonna make this wall white. I will tell you more about that later on and show you my progress. I'm cleaning my coffee filters. I'm just boiling them on the stove. I've made them from fabric scraps. Fabulous way to use up fabric scraps that you get when you sew a dress or something. You don't need much fabric at all to make these. My first pancake has come to an end. I hope you've had a lovely Easter, and I also hope to see you here again soon.